Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. Today I'm going to discuss with you power function. Power function is widely used in mathematics, but somehow it's used in Microsoft Excel as well. In this function we need to calculate the power of the given value. So how can we calculate the power? Let's start writing the formula. So here I created a base value column, the power column and the result column. So the formula will start is equal to POW. So there is a power function. If I press tab, so then first it requires the number. What is the number? Number is the base value. If I click on this cell, it will pick its cell reference, then comma, and I require the cell reference of power column, which is H8. Then I close the bracket and press enter. So it's giving me the result 64. How it calculates the result 64? First, the formula will look at the base value. The base value is 2 and the power is 6. So the formula multiply the 2 with 6 times other 2. 6 times the value 2 and multiply with each other. Then it gives the result 64. So if I double click on its bottom, so it will copy the result, copy the formula for the rest of the rows as well. So for you guys, I wrote it down this formula. This is a power formula, start of bracket, base value, comma, and the power. So this is how the formula works. Now I will try to explain the formula in different method. For the first instance, where the base value is 2 and the power is 6. So the formula will look at the base value, which is the 2, and write down the base value for 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why it wrote down the value for the 6th time? Because the power is 6. The formula will write down the base value for 6 times and then it will multiply all the cells with each other. It will multiply all the cells with each other like the product function works. How product function works? Start of bracket, product, second one, press tab, first cell reference, drag it down to last cell reference and close of bracket and press enter. It's giving me the same result. So how the formula works? The formula multiplied all of these cells with each other. First is split the cells according to the power. The power is 6, so I wrote it down the 2 for the 6 times and then multiply with each other. And then the result is a 64. So this is how the formula works. It's widely used in mathematics and somehow used in Microsoft Excel as well. So I hope so you like this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel if you like this video and press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming video. I see you guys in next video.